What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 best streaming devices in 2022. Through comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. So whether you're looking for something for casual streaming or a more powerful model that can also handle some mainstream games, we'll have the perfect product for you. I've included links in the description if you want more information on any of the products we mention, and I'll try to keep it updated for the best prices. Now let's get started with the video. If you're looking for an inexpensive streaming device that can reliably play your favorite content without sacrificing picture quality, the Chromecast with Google TV is my choice as the best option for under $50 in 2022. The Chromecast with Google TV is a great, inexpensive option for cord cutters to consider, and it comes with robust smart home support, a generous number of apps, and convenient casting capabilities for wireless screen sharing. It has an unobtrusive minimalist design and comes with a dongle that plugs directly into your TV's HDMI port. Unlike the other options on this list, it runs the Google TV interface, which provides a generous selection of apps in the web store, comprehensive support for most major streaming services, useful content recommendations based on your previous viewing history, the ability to link multiple Google accounts for busier households, and more. It also offers support for Google Assistant voice commands, and it can be easily integrated into Google smart home ecosystems. It delivers 4K HDR streaming at a smooth 60 frames per second, which produces a detailed, sharp picture, smooth playback, and vibrant colors when watching your favorite content. It also supports Dolby Vision to boost the contrast and brightness with compatible content, along with Dolby Atmos audio to provide a more immersive viewing experience, which is relatively rare at this price point. While it can be somewhat buggy and lacks the seamless performance of the high-end NVIDIA Shield TV Pro, it still performs well in most situations and can quickly switch between apps with minimal pop-in issues. The remote also offers solid functionality and comes with dedicated media buttons to quickly launch your preferred service. The Chromecast with Google TV isn't the most advanced streaming device on the market, but it provides all the essential features needed for a quality, immersive viewing experience, and it costs much less than premium options. If you're looking for a cost-effective streaming device that's easy to set up, supports most major services, and can nail the basics, this might be the ideal option for you. Next up, we have an outstanding streaming device that offers in-depth HomeKit compatibility and smooth all-around performance. The Apple TV 4K 2021 is my choice as the best streaming device for iOS users in 2022. The Apple TV 4K 2021 is a second-generation upgrade that offers improved performance for faster load times, comprehensive support for Apple's smart home devices, and an intuitive user interface with all the essential apps. It comes with an identical sleek design as the previous generation, but it features an improved A12 Bionic chip on the inside that delivers slightly smoother performance when scrolling and faster processing when loading apps than cheaper models like the Chromecast with Google TV. It offers outstanding streaming quality with 4K support, which consistently delivers a high-quality, vibrant image for consuming media. Even more, it can stream high frame rate HDR at 60 frames per second, and it offers Dolby Vision and Atmos support to help deliver a more immersive viewing experience. It also has Wi-Fi 6 support and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity to provide a more stable wireless connection. It runs Apple's well-designed and user-friendly interface, which allows you to calibrate the image to your liking via your smartphone, connect up to 2 pairs of AirPods for dual private listening, and customize your menu. In addition to support for most major streaming services, you get Apple AirPlay 2 support to wirelessly share content from your other iOS devices, in-depth Siri voice control, the ability to view footage from HomeKit-enabled cameras, a wide range of Apple-exclusive content from multiple apps, and personalized content recommendations. The upgraded processor can also handle some gaming and run a range of basic Apple Arcade games smoothly, but it lacks the gaming capabilities of the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro. The Apple TV 4K 2021 is the best streaming device for iOS users because of its several Apple-friendly features, excellent streaming quality, and more powerful processor than previous models. This is a great choice if you're a dedicated iOS user who wants something that can easily pair with your other devices and deliver a smooth, crisp viewing experience. Some users might be looking for a media streamer that offers comparable performance to premium options at a much lower price. The Roku Streaming Stick 4K is my choice as the best streaming device for the money in 2022. Roku has some solid streaming devices on the market, and their Streaming Stick 4K model is an unobtrusive model that offers comprehensive app support and some free channels to keep you entertained, support for several HDR formats, and a useful companion app. It has a small, compact design that's meant to sit behind your screen, a built-in HDMI input to plug directly into your TV, and an attachment in the cord that amplifies wireless signals to provide a more dependable long-range Wi-Fi connection. It runs Roku's unique, user-friendly interface, which offers comprehensive support for over 5,000 apps, Apple AirPlay wireless casting capabilities, a selection of free live channels, TV shows, and movies via the Roku channel, and more. The Roku Companion app also offers solid functionality, and it allows you to search for content, screen mirror content, and navigate the interface from your smartphone. It comes with a solid processor and 1 GB of RAM to stabilize content reasonably quickly, but it can occasionally suffer from some pop-in issues when switching apps. Like the other options on this list, it offers complete 4K compatibility to consistently deliver a crystal-clear, high-quality picture with stunning colors. It also offers support for HD, HDR10+, Dolby Atmos audio, and Dolby Vision content, which is impressive at this price point. Unfortunately, the voice assistant support isn't as robust as the Fire TV Cube, but it's functional and you can search for content using only your voice. While it doesn't offer image-enhancing technology like the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro, the Roku Streaming Stick 4K offers comparable picture quality and app support, and anyone who doesn't need the advanced features would likely be better off saving some money. If you're looking for a cost-effective option that delivers top-tier streaming capabilities at a good price, this might be your best option. For anyone who wants a streaming device that offers an excellent balance between speedy performance, app support, and picture quality, the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro is my choice as the best overall option in 2022. NVIDIA's Shield TV Pro is an outstanding streaming device that comes with a powerful processor, built-in AI technology to upscale content, and the ability to live stream games, which makes it ideal for almost any situation or user. On the inside, it has a powerful Tegra X1 Plus processor, 16 GB of storage, and 3 GB of RAM to deliver smooth performance, quick app load times, and seamless scrolling with minimal lagging. Or you can opt for the cheaper base NVIDIA Shield TV if you're fine with sacrificing some power. The powerful processor can buffer 4K HDR video content impressively fast without losing quality, so you get a crisp, detailed picture with accurate colors. It also features their proprietary AI upscaling technology, which enhances 1080p images, although the results can be subtle and somewhat hit or miss. The built-in Android TV interface is user-friendly, and it allows you to customize the home screen to keep your favorite services or shows easily accessible. The App Store offers all the major streaming services and thousands of additional apps and games to keep you entertained. But unlike the other options on this list, it features the NVIDIA Games app that allows you to play some specific titles. Even more, it's compatible with GeForce, so you can smoothly stream games to your TV from a private server with impressively smooth frame rates. The remote also offers solid functionality, and it has an ergonomic design, a built-in microphone for Google Assistant commands or searches, and backlit buttons for better visibility. The NVIDIA Shield TV Pro is the best overall streaming device because of its impressive graphics, solid AI enhancing technology, and superior all-around performance to the previously mentioned models. This is an ideal choice if you're a serious gamer or if you don't mind spending a bit more to receive top-tier image quality, app support, and an intuitive user experience. If you're looking for a streaming device that can easily be integrated into Amazon smart home ecosystems and deliver a top-tier viewing experience, the Amazon Fire TV Cube is my choice as the best Fire TV streaming device in 2022. The Amazon Fire TV Cube is their most advanced streaming box, and it comes with an improved processor for smoother overall performance, 8 built-in microphones to accurately register your voice, and a user-friendly operating system. While it has a larger form factor than the Roku streaming stick, it's still relatively unobtrusive and won't take up much space beneath the TV or on a dedicated media shelf. It runs Amazon's intuitive Fire TV operating system, so it's easy to integrate into Amazon-based ecosystems, and the interface offers support for most streaming services, content recommendations, a live section to watch broadcasted events like sports or the news, and a dedicated YouTube app, but it tends to heavily promote Amazon's own content. I also like that it has 8 built-in microphones, so it can accurately register your Alexa voice commands, although it requires precise phrasing for optimal performance. On the inside, it has a hexa-core processor that delivers smoother performance than its predecessor, and it comes with more RAM and memory to seamlessly load content and switch between apps with no noticeable pop-in issues. It can reliably stream 4K content at a smooth 60 frames per second, and it offers an extended color gamut to produce a more realistic picture than cheaper models like the Chromecast with Google TV. I also like that you get Dolby Vision and Atmos support, which helps to improve the picture quality with compatible content and provide immersive spatial audio. The Amazon Fire TV Cube is the best Fire TV streaming device because of its smooth, crystal clear playback, improved Alexa voice commands, and more powerful internal components than Amazon's other offerings. If you're looking for a high-quality streaming device that's easy to pair with other Amazon Home products and can reliably stream your preferred content in stunning quality, this might be the best bet for you. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.